power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Town Cards. Today we're opening up a box of Topps 2021 Baseball Series 1. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we have new videos. So, as most of you know, this is Topps, basically their flagship product of the year, celebrating their 70 years of Topps Baseball. This is one of the ones where right now it is very, very popular, kind of hard to get at retail stores. Your hobby stores definitely have them, so make sure to stop by and give those guys some love. But also it's one of the ones where throughout the year it'll be in stock again. It's one of the most mass-produced products that Topps puts out every year. As you could tell, there's a huge set in just this jumbo box by itself. We get 10 packs, 46 cards per pack. That's 460 cards in here. And we get one autograph and 2 relic cards. They announced that this is... they had a huge day. It was called Topps Spirit Party, where some of the premier guys in breaking actually broke a bunch of this stuff and gave away some really cool content. So I'm gonna go into here in a second. As you know, there's typically gold foil, rainbow foil packs, rainbow foil cards, and then the standard kind of parallels where it's gold, green, orange, red, black. But they also have things like Independence Day, Platinum Anniversary, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Memorial Day. There's a whole bunch of other kinds of cards that they have in here. So let's see what we get. Again, this is going to be one of the ones that you're going to see a lot of it, so I wouldn't stress out if you didn't get any right now. Ooh, look at that. It's a full-on picture of him. Pretty good. So you get one of these all-star box loaders up top, and then you get 2 of these hobby exclusive packs per jumbo. And then, as we mentioned, there's 5 packs with 46 cards in each, so 460 cards, to kind of make sure that we have things kind of nicely settled. We're going to move these guys off screen for a second, and we're just going to break these guys first. So let's see what we get. Looks like we have some sort of gold foil. Looks like what it is. So we're going to do this. All right. Kyle Lewis, Stephen Vogt, Trey Turner, Garrett Cole. There's also ones that you have to look out where they're variation prints, short prints. So you gotta, make sure to keep your eye out for those guys. Typically what I do with these Series 1 and Series 2 and update when they come out, I like to separate the ones from rookie cards and then just the standard stuff. So anywhere there's like a rookie card, I like to keep those separate and then just hold on to those. These other ones where it's like a future star, I kind of put them in the same realm as these Topps Gold Cup ones. Just so I have a nice idea. Nice Yankees team. Benintendi, who's obviously no longer with the Red Sox. That's a good photo, though. Chadwick Tromp. Elbows only. This is also one of the first sets where we're actually going to see a lot more of people wearing masks and kind of keeping up with how 2020 was really an odd year for all of us, but also for these guys playing baseball for basically our entertainment. And how they were trying to keep everyone safe. Max Mondesi, again, you can see him with the mask. Flip it over. We got Albert, Skeeble, Charlie, Jake, Eloy. We got Davis, back around again. Do it for the fans. Again, you could see in the background how they have the pictures of the cutouts that people paid for to be in the stands. League leader Marcelo Zuna. Jernigan. Merrifield. That's a nice one. Just cleats in midair. Michael Taylor. Gio. Francisco. We got a nice Jeter. Starts the service of Ken Griffey. I think this is at the Coliseum. I knew from the fence, but I know from the hat. Francisco, Kyle, and then this next boop. Max Stassi, and then our gold. Oh, it's another one of the Do It for the Fans. Not numbered, but is the gold foil. It's pretty good. Scoot that. Let me just organize a little bit better. Okay. I think that will be, yeah, that's our memorabilia right there. So we're going to do that. Yeah, look at that. Tony Gwynn. Like that. Bob Gibson, 70. Mitch Keller, Profar, Will Smith, Brandon, Nate Pearson, Vlad, Kevin, Baltimore, Texas, Joey, Get Up, Dodgers. Again, you can see the fans in the back. Garrett, Jock, Future Stars, Freddie, Raf, Ozuna, Sonny Gray, Buck, Aristides Aquino. I hope he does well this coming year. Bregman. Here's Luzardo for the A's. Christian Javier. Spencer Howard. Justin Verlander. Garcia. John. Here's Cody. JD. Quinn. Tommy. Gallo. Liam Hendricks. All right. So, let's see here. So it looks like it's a giant. Let's see. Wilmer Flores. Oh. Yep, Wilmer Flores. And then this one in the back. Major League. We're going to guess Bryant. Yay, there you go. Chris Bryant, 70 patch. Player worn. Nice. I wish there was some sort of stripe in there. Otherwise, we just call it a napkin. Not numbered, but that is one of our relics for the box. As you know, as I mentioned earlier, we get 2 of these guys. So let me put that guy into a little bag real quick. We can make sure that this guy doesn't get damaged. Now we just got to see, where will Chris end up? Is he going to be with the Cubs the next few years, or is he going to be traded? I could see him being traded. No disrespect to Mr. Bryant, but I could see that the Cubs will try and make a move and get as much They can. When there's a young team out there that might need a vet on their squad. This might be the next goal. No, that's just a regular card. Oh, that might be one of those turn back the card ones. Turn back the clock ones. Theo, Rizzo, Pedro, Max. Edward. Jose Abreu. Keibert Ruiz. I think he's going to be a good one for the Dodger system. Ryan Mountcastle. People have a lot of things going on with Ryan. Right. Correa, Daniel Murphy, Brad, Nomar, Austin Mays, Robbie, Buster, man, Charlie. Here goes Matt Chapman. Is Chappie going to stay with the A's or is he going to get dealt? Rumors are one of these guys is going to be on the Mets this year. Don't know which one it's going to be. We got Jokum, Randy, nice pitcher, Lewis. I feel like that's at the Coliseum again. They must just have a lot of people here at the Coliseum. Witt, and then our Silver, Odor. Oh, there's our auto. Our auto is Clark Schmidt of the Yankees. Not numbered. But it's nice because he is rookie, 70 years, and he's a Yankee. And that's a pretty nice signature. So we will bag that guy up really quick. I'm starting to bag some of these guys up on camera so that I don't forget to do it later. All right. All right. Here is our Clark Schmidt auto. Nice Jackie. Acuna Jr. That's a nice one. Matt Tatis Jr. Matt Olson. There's Shamanea, Chapman, Lorenzo, Jonathan, David, Oliver, Wade. It's a nice one. You can see that they still got the masks. Man, we're not even halfway through, and this is a lot of cards already to stay on top of. Another gold card. Leroy. Derek, Charlie, Jake, Eloy, Chris. I think this is our third one of this card now. Zuna. Austin. Gio. Kyle. Cody. And then our gold is Cody Whitley. Then we have our, we got Josh Donaldson home run challenge, which is common nowadays. And then we have Chris Bubik, This is the 2021 numbered. Joey Votto. Nice Ken Griffey 70th stamp. Another iconic card from basically the history of Topps. These get kind of hated on just because it's a picture of a card on a card, but it is what it is. There's Kyle again. Justin, Trey, Garrett. Okay. We're kind of running into the same thing that would happen back in the 90s, where you would kind of see the same cards kind of stamped all together. So you'd be like, okay, I know usually the third card is blank. So we're seeing that with some of these packs that we're opening. Sixto. Edward. Still haven't seen a Luis Robert. I have almost the entire team except for him. Buster. There's Chappie again. Soraya. Our silver here is of Joey Gallo. Looks like we have a numbered card for Trevor Bauer out of 299. That is the orange. I don't know if that's sparkle or not, but it looks really cool. Not bad for Trevor. David Ortiz. Joey Votto. That's another one. Zach. Tatis. There's Olsen. And there's Manaya. Yeah, here we go. This order should look familiar to you by now. Yep. Okay. So it looks like another gold one in here. Future Star. Daniel Johnson. Dalton. Santiago. Isaac. I'm huge on Isaac. If you've been paying attention to any of my videos, Isaac is one of my top picks for coming up in the league. So is Christian. Another great one. Miggy, Luke, Fred, Justin Dunn, Monty, Joey Bart. Joey Bart's another one that they think is going to do really well. Dylan Carson. Evan White. Jesse. Luis Garcia. Chris Archer is our gold. Then we have another 2021 of Adam Frazier. Kyle Lewis. Frank Robinson. Jesse Bryce. Look at that. If it gets no better than the times that we are in, this is one of the best photos to kind of dictate that. People are going to look back at last year and be like, what? We did that? And this is one of the photos that we're going to have that will really echo that throughout time, really. Mookie Betts World Series. Okay. Well, that was half the box. Jeez, let's get a move on here. This is like a silver. Mike. I'm not going to flip him over anymore. Well, now I am. Got too deep in. Tim Anderson. League leader DJ. Will Clark. This is the one that makes people mad because people think it's an auto, but it's not an auto. It's a picture of a card on a card, so people get mad. Totally get it. Molina. There's Aaron Judge. Yeah, these are cards that we haven't seen yet, so this is going to be a new set of people that we haven't seen on this break yet. Blake. Cody. See you later, Marcus. Mike Minor. Mookie. That is our memorabilia right there. So we're going to save that one till the end, because that will be our last hit of the box. Looks like, I think I saw that we had a green in here. There's a green of some sort, so we're going to hold that one too. There we go. Okay. Dalbec. Joe Adell. Tyler Stevenson. Eddie Alvarez. Casey Mize. Sixto again. Ian, what is happening? Joey Votto. Jordan. Nico, feature star. David. Tejada. Miguel Andujar. Nelson Cruz. Yelich. Taylor. Motor City Mashers. Howie Kendrick. Nice. Mike Yastrzemski. Gold. Mike Trout. History of... like, who? I mean, okay. Thanks. I guess, tops. Mike Voigt. Clayton. Max. Manny. Juan Soto. Detroit. Josh. Another one where, if you didn't see this, after they did, after the Giants won, they faked like they were all going to come in together and hug, and they just kind of did air high fives. Josh Bell, Sean Doolittle, Tampa. Yeah, dab on him, huh? Juan Soto, league leaders. We will do what I think is a green one next. All right. No, this is the memorabilia one. We're going to do what I think is the green one. Yep. Boom. Gavin Lux. David. Lester. Starling. Junior's fighting. Ryan. Nick. Tristan McKenzie. Otani. Bieber. Lewis. Brendan. Marcy DeBon. Kettle Marte. Okay. Brandon Crawford. Chris Paddock. Steven Matz. Mark Canna. Willie Calhoun. Great pitcher. Hello, Rockies. Brett Gardner. Justin Healy. Ian Kennedy. Hands up, mask up. Clayton. Lourdes. Here we go. We got our Lewis Robert Cup. Frankie Teoscar Hernandez. Pujols. Javi. Gene. Tommy Edman. And it looks like our green is Brewster Gratterall, which is out of $4.99. Glaber and Garrett Cole. Okay. So we're just going to save that guy. Cody Bellinger. Ooh, Derek Jeter, 70. This is one of the die cuts. Sanchez. Corbin, Tony Kemp. Jay Bruce. Mark. Voigt. Reddick. Broodster. Nick. James. Dubek. Beal. Bo Bichette. Turned. Glaber. Josh. Miguel Franco. Tony. Is this? Oh, it's 2 cards, right? Yeah, okay. Tony. Then our gold is Jack Flaherty. And then our last bit of memorabilia. Oh, this is a Chris Bryant box, apparently. But a nice one. Chris Bryant, Major League Baseball spring training. Not numbered. A little dinged up top. But we got 2 Chris. This is a... If this would have sold in Chicago, this would have been an amazing break. But we're going to put that over here. It's a little dinged up, but it's okay. Okay, time to make a little bit of space. So our hits of the break would be the Clark and then the 2 Chris Bryants. Not bad, especially if you're a Cub fan. But remember, we still have these two hobby exclusive packs. And this one 1951 Topps Major League All-Stars box loader. So let's take a look at this box loader and see what it is. These ones always seem kind of weird when I see people open up because they're like bookmarks. See, it's like a bookmark. Kind of weird. Mookie Betts. Boom. All right, there's Mookie. Hobby exclusive. Let's open these guys. That's a nice one to get. Joe Adele. Hank Aaron. Nolan Ryan. Ooh, an Ozzie Smith green. Dang, that's nice. The Ozzie Smith green is nice. All right, we got Shane Bieber, Clayton Kershaw, Luis Garcia, Monty Harrison. All right. So this is a lot of stuff. A lot of cards come with each one of these jumbo boxes. But again, this is one of those mainstay products where, you know, buy a box, see what happens. So thanks for tuning in, and we will see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, I got the power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.